The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from Atlanta, Georgia, the Godfather, Rob.
Oh boy, we're in for a treat tonight. Both of these superstars look geared up and ready to go.
If this one doesn't end up on a highlight reel somewhere, I'll be incredibly surprised.
And approaching the ring from Newark, New Jersey, the hardcore icon, Jeff Wade.
Look around. Everybody is on their feet right now.
I don't care who you are. You get butterflies each time your name gets announced and you're headed toward that WWE ring.
You mean the wrestling god got nervous?
Well, not me, but everybody else.
How dangerous is a Falls Count Anywhere match, King?
Oh, geez, extremely dangerous. But here's the thing. These superstars have to sign a contract to compete in a match. They know what they're getting themselves into.
In full control.
A ton of talent, a ton of ability. Certainly someone to keep an eye on.
Oh, wait, nice reversal.
His strikes have a little extra on them tonight.
Oh, out of nowhere.
What's he gonna do here? What's he gonna do here? Quick thinking to avoid that.
Whoa, what a drop kick.
This guy's a machine. It's an amazing atmosphere in this arena tonight.
Oh, you're right. Big fight feel here, no doubt. And that one hit with the force of a big rig.
Great one-on-one action here tonight. It doesn't get much better than this. My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have...
The shoulders are down.
And the shoulders up in time.
Well, as long as it's up before that 3 count, that's all that matters. That was an impressive suplex.
Today, too fast.
Ow! Ooh, this guy's just too strong. How much damage did that do?
A lot from the looks of it.
My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe. wait, nice reversal.
Covers. Oh, look at that. He managed to get a shoulder up.
Well, like they say, Cole, timing is everything.
If he suffers much more, he may lose all mobility in that shoulder.
Yeah, that shoulder could become completely dislocated.
Both of these competitors have so much resolve, it's going to take a minor miracle to keep one of them down. I'd say that's more embarrassing than anything else. Sickening thud as his body is driven to the mat.
Much more of that.
Looking to catch him off guard.
Quick ref count. 2.
And a kick out.
The kick out's all that saved him. This match goes on.
Avoids the impact there.
Cole, what's he got in mind?
His nose might end up where his ear is by the time this one's over. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next.
Me too. I've given up even trying to figure out what they're going to do next. I'm just sitting back watching and enjoying. When he gets going like this, there are few better.
Again, these superstars are bound to absolutely no rules here in this disqualification match.
You know what, Cole? It's like the Wild West all over again.
Going for the big one.
Remember, momentum. Now Wade got it.
Oh, Wade showing no remorse right now.
And will this be it?
It may be.
And he escapes with a kick out. There's no keeping this guy down tonight.
Uh-oh. What's he going to do here? What's he going to do here?
Makes the cover. And the shoulder's up.
And the match continues. I love this.
I got a sharp pain in my neck just watching that neck breaker.
Yeah, I got a much lower pain, but I don't want to talk about it right now.
Quick thinking to avoid that.
He sees it. Look out!
The discus clothesline is going to end it.
I think you're right, Cole. This one's history. There it is, the finisher. This could all...
He thinks he has it.
2, 3. What a win! Man, he's got to feel great. Oh, that was a match for the record books. The WWE Universe will be buzzing about this one for a while. Well, I don't know how you can pick out highlights from that match. The whole match was highlights. Look at this. This was a match that was simply mesmerizing. Let's see what happened during that incredible matchup.
Here's your winner, the